Hi, this is Dr. Nida with Keys of Health. Today I want to talk to you about a question that was posed to me by a viewer who wanted me to do a video on fats and how to know which fats are good for us and which are bad. So here it is. The simplest way to explain this is two words: natural and non-natural. All the natural fats in moderation are good for us. This includes animal fats, butter, cheeses, cream, olive oil, coconut oil, sesame oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, sunflower oil, fish oil, nuts. This includes nut butters like peanuts and almond butter, and seeds. So flax, sesame, chia, tahini, which is healthy. It's sesame paste, which is added to hummus, and wild caught fish. These are all natural ways of getting really healthy fats into our diets. Now, some of these are saturated fats. Saturated fats are actually healthy for us. They play a very important role in maintaining our cell membranes, our hormones, as well as our skin. Saturated fats are not the problem here. It is the sugars and wheat which are problematic. However, people with gallbladder issues need to be careful when consuming saturated fats, as it might aggravate their condition. These are all good fats, but you need to eat them in moderation. Of course, excessive amount of anything is not good. Now let's talk about bad fat. This includes canola oil, cottonseed oil, corn oil. These are all usually GMO, grain derived, and that therefore they are not recommended. Margarine is a big no-no. If you know the history of margarine, you will not even go near it. Hydrogenated oil is terrible for you. You should avoid restaurant food, especially fried food, since they use hydrogenated oils to give the food this crunch and flavor, which makes it addicting. Another point I want to mention here is that consuming saturated fats doesn't affect your good cholesterol levels. It is in fact artificial unsaturated fats and fats rich in omega-6 instead of omega-3 that are problematic here. They can increase the inflammation in the body and also clog the arteries. So consume good saturated fats in moderation and try to stay away from bad fats that I have mentioned as much as possible. This is it for this video. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.